Hi, this is Mike Rankin with CreativePro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to align objects to columns using object styles in InDesign. When you have a lot of separate objects on a page, it can be a real pain to align and position them precisely. Fortunately, you can use object styles to set the position of frames on the page. So all you have to do is select one and apply the style to move it exactly where you want it. And this is really important in things like catalogs and yearbooks, where you might have hundreds of objects to position throughout the document. For example, let's say I wanted all my cat photos here to be horizontally aligned to the left of the first column, but the vertical position depended on the surrounding content. To create the object style for positioning my cats, I can take one and drag it to where I want them all to go. So I'll drag it over here to the left, and then I'll go to my Object Styles panel, and I'll hold Option or Alt and click on the new Style button. I'll name my style Cat. And in the general options, I'll make sure that Apply Style to Selection is turned on. And then I'll go to my Size and Position options. And under Position, I'll select Adjust X Only. This way the style will only apply the horizontal position. And notice I have this reference point here. With Preview turned on, I can see the effects of choosing different reference points. So I can align the left edge of the selected object to this X value, or the center, or the right. I'll go with left. And notice I can have it offset either from the page edge or the page margin. I'll set it to be 0 from the page margin, and click OK. Now I can select my other two cat photos and apply that object style, and they jump to the right position. And I'll repeat the process for my dogs. So I'll take one, I'll drag it to where I want them all to go, hold Option or Alt and click on the new Object Style button. I'll call this one Dog, and I'll base it on the cat style. That way, if there are any other attributes that should be consistent across all these picture frames, I can change just the cat style, and the change will be reflected in all my photos. Again, I'll go to Size and Position options. I'll choose Adjust X Only. With the left reference point set to the current position of this photo, I'll click OK. And now I can apply that style to my other two dog photos, and they go where I need them. And the advantage of basing my dog style on the cat style is now I can right-click on that cat style and edit it and change some attribute. Like say the stroke, I'll change the color and the weight. And that change is reflected in all my frames. And that's a look at how to position objects efficiently with object styles in InDesign.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.